Hello and welcome to St. Thomas's Church here in Dugort. We're delighted to be here this evening for our recital. This year the Coiste have organised a series of events online and on our Facebook page and on scoilacla.ie. Fortunately, we're still able to bring you some live events outdoors, so make sure that if you're in Acla, you should check us out. Anocht tá chlóirgin sco agin, díobh tá áran agin a churas íbnas ar a clús agus ceol a churas sa chusa ag dausa. Tá an ihe seo I gcuimhne or cara dílis Mary Lavelle Burke. Bhí Mary lornach den Coiste Scoil Acla agus le blianta fada inús bhí si póirteach I gach gné cruthaíocht in Acla. So anocht a bhóra seo ihe ditse. This evening, we're dedicating our programme to Mary Lavelle Burke. There are songs and music and poetry that will make you feel like you're here in person tonight. Mary was a great friend of Scoil Acla and involved in all aspects of creativity in Acla. Some of you will remember her friendly face, always here to lend a smile and help you on your way during our week. She passed away in September last year and is missed by all who knew her. So our first act for you here this evening are the Heenahan family from Castlebar. And tonight we have Paddy, Kate and Sal Heenahan. They've joined us and this is their first time playing together in 18 months, although you wouldn't think it to hear them play. We're delighted to have them here with us, and Sal has also brought out a CD this year, which is available online. I'm sure you'll enjoy this lovely arrangement of tunes. They're going to play a waltz for us. Paddy will also sing us a song and they'll finish up with some lovely lively jigs. So I leave it over to the Heenahan family for you now. O Cushlan Awari, Ma Shivsha.
skimmed across black water without once submerging on to the banks of an urban morning that hungers the first light much, much more than mountains ever do. And she, like a ghost beside me, goes down the ease of a dolphin and emerges unlearned, unharmed, unshamed. For she is a perfect creature, natural in every feature, and I am the geek with the alchemist's stone. For all of you who must discover, for all who seek to understand, for having left the path of others, you'll find a very special hand. And it is a holy night, and it is a precious time. It is the only way. Forget me not among the snow, it's always been, and so it goes, to ponder his death and his life eternally. One bright blue rose outlives all those 2,000 years, and still it grows to ponder his death and his life eternally.
Ceol Scoil a bhí agin an seo ó Clanny Inachán na Castlán Awari. So thank you very much, Sahina and family, for that wonderful music and song. Our next performers are a local act. Maeve Cafferty Malloy will read a poem by John F. Dean, who's a local poet. This poem is in memory of her aunt, Mary Lavelle Burke, and it will be followed by a song from Leah McNamara, The Shores of Loch Bran. I hope you enjoy both of these.
Canticle by John F. Dean. Sometimes, when you walk down to the red gate, hearing the scrape music of your shoes across gravel, a yellow moon will lift over the hill. You swing the gate shut and lean on the topmost bar as if something has been accomplished in the world. A night wind whistles through the poplar leaves, and all the noise of the universe stills to an oboe hum, the given note of a perfect music. There is a vast sky wholly dedicated to the stars, and you know with certainty that all the dead are out, up there, in one holiday flotilla, and that they celebrate the fact of a red gate and a yellow moon that tunes their instruments with you to the symphony.
Sit ye down, loyal comrades, sit ye down for a while, and I'll tell you a story of Erin's Green Isle. Come, fill up your glasses and we'll drink hand to hand. For tomorrow I'll be leaving the shores of Loch Bran. In the oncoming morning I'll be bidding adieu to Leitrim, Drumshambo and sweet Carrick too. But no matter what fortune I may seek far away, my thoughts will be with you by night and by day. No more will I ramble round Farnet's green hill, and the place I love dearest is down by the mill, with its green fertile valleys where oft times I ran to inhale the sweet breezes round the shores of Loch Bran. There's my father and mother, you can hear them both sigh, as the tears down their pale cheeks would moisten your eye. Oh, but I will assist them, please God, when I can, far away from lovely Ireland and the shores of Loch Bran.
Thank you very much for both of those, Maeve and Leah. Our next act are no strangers to Scoil Acla. We have a trio from Foxford. We have Tom Doherty, John McHugh and Maria Lynn. And Tom has been coming to Scoil Acla here since before he could drive, and John had to dust off his fiddle for tonight's performance. So we're really delighted to bring these three performers to you. They're going to play a set of jigs, a set of flings and a set of reels. So Banagi Sult As Seo. Erais, gur mili macha guibh as seo, bhí sé sin go híntach. So thank you very much to our performers there from Foxford. And we're going to now hear another poem, and this poem is read by Orla Cafferkey, niece of Mary Lavelle Burke. The poem she's going to read for us is called Smoker by Michael Gallagher, another local poet, this time from Dugort. Leah will also be back singing for us, and this time she's singing My Great Big Roaming Ass. So enjoy these.
Smoker by Michael Gallagher. It was the way she asked, I suppose, casual-like. Yeah, that's what caught us by surprise. Kathleen, give us a fag. Not one of her own brood, note, wouldn't give us the satisfaction. She had never smoked, railed against it, and all of us smoking like troopers. No, she asked the daughter-in-law, light. Strange that, not even a splutter. Didn't inhale mind, we could tell, but still not the splutter you'd expect. Just sat there, casual-like, in her chair by the fire, while all around her, the laying of table, the reading of paper, the grandkids' scribbles, even the 9 o'clock news, stopped dead. No one spoke. We all glanced askance at her, quizzically at each other, some raised eyebrows. Halfway through, she flicked it fireward, pressed the pause button. Life restarted. I'm glad I stole the photo, still look at it. Glad I caught the mischief in the eye, the fun of it all curl of the lip. The rebellion on the tongue, unspoken, daring a challenge. Feck ye all, I could smoke too if I wanted to.
Oh, to look at me, would you ever think that I was in me prime? Me clothes are torn and me shoes are worn and me age is 49. Oh, I had friends and pals galore, but alas, those days are past. And the only one that I have now is a poor old shook old ass. Oh, a kind old friend and a true old pal was this old ass to me. And many's the night he brought me home when I was on the spree. Though he's highly bred and he's badly fed, for I don't own much grass. He's a harum scarum, a devil may care, a great big roaming ass. I bought this ass for £0.50 some 20 years ago. We chanced to meet upon the street at the fair of Ballinasloe. He took me high, he looked so fly, with skin as smooth as glass. And sure I paid down me a bad £0.50 and sailed home with that ass. Oh, a kind old friend and a true old pal was this old ass to me. Many's the night he brought me home when I was on the spree. Though he's highly bred and he's badly fed, for I don't own much grass. He's a harum scarum, a devil may care, a great big roaming ass. Oh, I'll never forget the day we met at the fair of Ballinasloe. Up hill and down through street and town. Go on. Sure the pair of us did go, and to depart would break my heart, for no one could take his place. And tell all of what I think of him, sure I think's it no disgrace. Oh, a kind old friend and a true old pal was this Aldas to me. And many's the night he brought me home when I was on the spree. Though he's highly bred and he's badly fed, for I don't own much grass. He's a harum scarum, a devil may care a great big roaming ass.
Anna wa Kalini, vi si sin go hintach fad, wan me an sultas na Aaron agus na filiocht seo. Gur mila mahguf. So thank you very much, ladies. That was a fantastic performance for us. We're really in the swing of things now tonight at our concert here in St. Thomas's Church. And we're delighted to bring you now our next set of performers. Here we have two local musicians, John Butler, maker of Ceadal pipes, and Lisa Fukuda, who both live here in Acla. They are joined tonight by Paul Clesham from Ballantyne, and together they will play for you 3 sets. They're going to play a set of jigs, a set of marches, and some toe-tapping reels for you. So, Bonaki Sultas, Shogwith. Well, a chuirde bhí ihe gin scoaging a nocht an ceol agus filiochtachs árán. Ar muochas a gail gach duine a chur an ihe seo le céile, le Tom Doherty a bhí ar sound, Reverend Maeve Hurley and the Committee of St. Thomas's Church, gach duine a bhí porteach san ihe. Thank you very much, everybody. That was a wonderful evening of music, poetry and song. We would like to thank our sound man here for tonight, was Tom Doherty, and all the performers involved. We'd like to thank the Reverend Maeve Hurley and the committee here of St. Thomas's Church for making the church available to us. I'd like to also thank our funding partners, Allian na Gaeltachta, First na Gaeilge and the Arts Council, Mayo County Council and funding partners locally here in Acla also. Thank you very much, and ná Jane Jarmid go mé ar ceol chum na féile ar siúl an ihe seo ar Facebook bio. So please don't forget that our concert will be here on Facebook this Friday evening. Go mé ar míid bio ar an am seo a ríis. Thank you agus ihuach.